1245, total is 1245 crores worth of 1245 crores of total contracts have been awarded in the state in the last 10 years to one of these 40 firms. 43% of the total value of the contracts awarded in the state have been given only to these 4 firms belonging to the Chief Minister. And 25 should be a CBI investigation, because, my lord, this is reeking of corruption. A lot of the contracts have been given in departments which are directly controlled by the Chief Minister. For example, the PWD department is directly controlled by him. And in PWD department, my lord, lots of contracts have been given to his firms. Therefore, there is a clear conflict of interest. It is also against the government rules and regulations, which I will show. Things the state police will not be able to impartially investigate this. That's why, my lord, we are saying that this has to be investigated by the CBI. Now, my lord, CBI, as your lordship may see, the earlier affidavit of the state government where they had filed for only the contracts relating to one district, that was Tawang, and in relation to only 4 firms. We had actually pointed out that there are a large number of firms which are related to the Chief Minister. More than 10 firms which are related to him. But anyway, they filed for 4 firms which they felt were very directly related to the Chief Minister. First, my lord, they filed for one district, which is Tawang district. Now, my lord, if your lordship sees that affidavit, it's an affidavit of the state government of 16th July, where they first say that with regard to one particular company, if your lordship sees their first affidavit, an internal page. Internal page 14. No. Let me just.
We've given updated.
I'll take your lordship through that also.
The point straight away, my lord.
I'll take your lordship through that also. Now, first, your lordship may see at internal page 14, they give a summary. These are the contracts awarded to these 4 firms.
When did you file the affidavit?
Last. It is not uploaded. Item number 12. Yes.
Item 11. This is filed, my lord, on 2nd of my lord, February.
16/12.
2nd of February, the date was missing. So, my lord, the clerk was
not uploaded in my file.
Yes. ये उसका नहीं पूछ रहे हैं.
It was put yesterday, my lord. It was filed. It's recorded in the order of 3rd of February.
We have noted in the last order.
So it was filed on 2nd, my lord.
Only
the date was missing, so that clerical error, my lord, was my lord, corrected.
This affidavit, which finds mention in the order dated 3rd February 2026, 3rd February, is not uploaded.
3rd February वाला तो मेरे भी नहीं.
3rd February
it must be uploaded. It is uploaded, my lord. It was
uploaded same day, my lord.
2nd December का original order है.
It is
upload करने का डायरेक्शन था बाद में, तो 3rd February को.
एक मिनट गई.
I think it's the last document. Serial number 12 in the court file. That's the last document.
Yes, now it has come.
Now, my lord.
Inclusions. No.
First, I am referring to the earlier affidavit filed by the state, which is document number 7. In that, it's an earlier affidavit dated
16th July 25.
16th July 25.
Yes. What you are referring to 7. Serial number 7.
Document number 7, that is item number 7.
Yes.
And in that, if your lordship comes to internal page 14.
Yes.
Now, this is.
Yes.
The summary gives the number of contracts awarded in 11 years to only one company called Brand Eagle, which is owned by by his wife, by the Chief Minister's wife.
But this, I'm so sorry. Only one minute. Your lordship, by the last order, my lord said The starting point will be 2015 till 2025. So this affidavit relates.
All right, Mr. Lord.
History.
Let Mr. Bhushan take 2-3 minutes on this.
I'm saying.
After that, we will take him to the current affidavit, don't worry, huh? But
So-
Mr. Bhushan, if you take him immediately to somewhere else, it will be a problem.
So somewhere else would only mean a coffee shop, my lord. Otherwise.
So, my lord,
Somewhere else in the file, I mean. Yes,
so in this, they have given the summary that number of contracts awarded in 11 years, 31, total value of the contracts awarded, 188 crores. Total number of works awarded through tender, 15. Total number of works awarded through work order, 16.
yes,
This is only to one company called Brand Eagle.
all right.
Now your lordship may turn to another company called this Frontier Associates at page 25, the summary, also
Yes.
owned by the CM. Page 25. Total number of contracts awarded in 13 years, 91.
Yes,
Total to this company. Total number of contract works awarded, total value 145 crores. Works awarded through tender 57, works awarded through work order 39. That is without tender. And then for two more companies they gave
that's all right.
for now, my lord. Now your lordship may come to the current affidavit.
Yes,
First, my lord, I want to show that this affidavit
yes,
refers to only these four firms because they asked the departments to give information only about these four firms which were directly related to the chief minister. That is Brand Eagle,
the wife,
the wife's company or his own company,
A cousin, brother.
mother's company and brother's company.
Okay.
These four, huh? Now, so they sought information only about the works awarded in the last 10 years to these four companies, though we had stated in our writ petition that the number of companies that they own directly or indirectly is more than 10
Well.
in the state. But anyway, be that as it may, just these four. And the court's order also did not limit it to just these four companies. However, they sought information only about these four companies.
very well.
In the new affidavit, my lord, this is this in the document number
12, yes.
12. It is at page 44. So these are the four companies mentioned at the top, internal page 44. Brand Eagle, Frontier Associates, Alliance Trading, RD Construction. Now, their summary is at page 7, annexure R1. Again, Lord, this summary relates to only these four companies.
All right, let us see what they say about
Yes,
these four companies.
yes. So, my lord, the fourth column, first name of the department, works awarded in the department through tender, total value of the works awarded through tender, works awarded to R4 to R6 firms through tender. R4 to R6 is the chief minister, his wife, etc. These four companies.
So 2 out of 620.
1245, total is 1245 crores worth of 1245 crores of total contracts have been awarded in the state in the last 10 years to one of these four firms according to
Why
the
don't you read the actual number of works awarded in context to the number of contracts?
all
awarded
right,
to the
Lord. Total number of works awarded.
Department of Power, 620 works, 2 awarded to these companies.
No, that's all right. That's all right. Lord, I am just
I'm trying to
on
say.
the total. Total is 121 works awarded
Yes,
through tender. Total value of works awarded through tender to these four firms is 1245 crores.
yes.
Then in the rest of the column they say works awarded through work order.
Yes.
Total number 322. 322 works awarded without tender, which is through works
What
order.
is the value?
25 crores.
Value is 25 crores, true. Now, so therefore total is about 70 crores or so. 1270 crores worth of works have been awarded in the last 10 years to these four firms, which belong to either directly to the Chief Minister or his wife or his mother
So, Mr.
or his
Bhushan,
brother.
1 minute.
Yes.
You all again come to the column after the 1, 2, 4, 5 figure is there.
Yes.
Where you read 121 work orders,
Yes.
tenders, 1, 2, 4, 5 crores.
Yes.
And the total percentage of the awarded amount is 0.57%.
Percent of the total work, total work.
No.
Total work,
Total work orders were for 45,000 crores.
45,380 crores.
In terms
out
of-
which 1,245 crores is given.
Correct. So
which
in
is
terms of value,
0.57%.
Yes.
1 minute. And insofar as the work order given, 322 work orders given,
yeah.
or 25.72 crores value,
Yes.
is 11.11%.
All right. That is in terms of the number.
Numbers.
But in terms of the value.
In terms of value only.
No. This is a number. Value is 1245 crores out of 45,000 crores, which comes to more than 3% or about 3%.
2.7.
3%. Roughly 3% of the total value of the contracts awarded in the state have been given only to these four firms
Right.
belonging to the Chief Minister.
And 25 crores would come to how much percentage of 16,968 crores? Which is the work order? What would be the
That's the
percentage?
work order. That would come to minuscule. They say 0.11%. 0.11 or something. No, the total value
Is 16,968 crores.
Yes.
there, I don't know whether that is,
968.
whether that is quite correct or not, but let's assume that it is
0.15.
correct. Let's assume that it is correct. Yes, it's a small percentage. However, now your lordship may come to some important pages. Page 37 of the same document.
37.
Yes.
Yes.
37, these are the contracts which they have mentioned. Now, first your lordship will see on top, number 1, road from so-and-so to so-and-so, total amount 4 crore 80 lakhs, 480 lakhs. And then, my lord, who are the bidders? Contract awarded to RD Construction, which is one of his companies. Now, who are the bidders? RD Construction and Brand Eagle. Both are his companies. Admittedly. Then, my lord, next. Cultural Center, total value about 1 crore plus. Who are the bidders? Same, Brand Eagle, Alliance, both his companies. Then, my lord, come to item 5. Permanent groundwork, this is 11 crores. Again, my lord, who are the bidders? Brand Eagle, RD Construction, and Rinchin Dorji Construction, all three actually his companies. Then, my lord, next, 7. This is about 1.3 crores. Again, both companies, his companies, Alliance, RD Construction. Next, Alliance, RD Construction, both his companies. Next, my lord, 9, Alliance, RD Construction, Brand Eagle, RD Construction, all three his companies. Next, Alliance, RD Construction, his companies, both his companies, and so on. And if your lordship sees item 11, the contract is worth 35 crores. And 35 crores, both Brand Eagle and RD Construction are the bidders. And just see the difference. 0.2% in the bids. One bid is
That is
35.
right, all right, that you already read out on page 7 itself, that the total value of work order given or the tenders given to the 4 companies, which are according to you close, belonging to the close relatives or the Chief Minister himself.
Yes.
Is-
That is only 4 companies, but we had pointed out that there are many more companies. But let's assume that these are the 4 companies. Now, my lord, just see item 11. What is firstly, the 2 bidders are both his companies. And secondly, my lord, the difference in the bids is 0.2%. One bid is 35 lakhs, the 35 crores 44 lakhs, and the other bid is 35 crores 51 lakhs. So actually, my lord, what has been happening is, irrespective of the fact that many of these works involving, they are saying up to 50 lakhs we can award through work orders without contract. Even that amendment, permitting them to award through work orders without tender, came only in 2020. Many of these work orders have been awarded prior to 2020, when in the state of Arunachal it was not permitted to award works without tenders. Secondly, even their current rules say that no particular firm should be given more than 3. As per the 2018 amendment, it says no firm should have more than 3 works in hand at a particular time. And if this is examined properly, it will be found and they have to sign an affidavit saying
What is the relief that you have claimed in your petition?
that there should be a CBI investigation. Because, my lord, this is reeking of corruption. This is reeking of corruption. In fact, my lord, we have prepared some terms of reference to what needs to be investigated. No. Investigation kahan hai? Yes, my lord. Your lordship may have.
Please pass on 3 copies, yes.
Yes.
And give a copy to Mr. Rahim also.
Yes, of course. Of course. ये कितने 2 पेज हैं? एक पेज. Yes, of course. Now, Lord, what we feel needs to be investigated are the following things. And my lord, these are the 15 firms according to us which are related to them.
This is not part of the record. No, last time he made a submission, I will not go beyond the pleading.
It is mentioned in the writ and in the
Passing
additional
over the
affidavit.
counter, my lord, I don't
It's
appreciate.
mentioned in the writ. Don't worry.
File the documents. I can't.
Yes.
I can't defend something. This is like shadow boxing. I don't.
I'll show where it is mentioned in the writ. Now, Lord, the terms of reference which I feel should be given for investigation
Yes.
is whether the firms that participated in the government tender work orders are related directly or indirectly to respond number 4, in particular the following firms, namely.
All right.
And we have given 15 firms, out of which 4 are those which
Yes.
they have. Thereafter, my lord, whether the firms related to respondents 4 to 6 have been awarded government tenders, whether the firms disclosed to the departments before such tender were awarded that they are owned, related directly or indirectly by respondent number 4 to 6 to individuals related or to individuals related to them. That means ki whether they disclose this to the government at the time when they bid for these tenders or ask for these work contracts, etc., that we are companies which are related, because my lord, a lot of the contracts have been given in departments which are directly controlled by the chief minister. For example, the PWD department is directly controlled by him. And in PWD department, my lord, lots of contracts have been given to his firms. Therefore, there is a clear conflict of interest. It is also against the government rules and regulations, which I will show. Then, my lord, whether the bidders for tenders were related to each other directly or indirectly and collusive, because it seems that they are collusive, and if so, who were the officers who participated in awarding these tenders, and whether offences under the Prevention of Corruption Act have been committed for award of tender works orders, and whether they are prima facie guilty of these offences. That this would include the contracts awarded as mentioned in the CAG report dated 21/7/2025. Lord, in an earlier matter relating to Arunachal Pradesh, this court asked for CAG to examine those contracts which were in question in that petition. The court asked for the CAG report. This court in this case asked for the CAG report to be placed on record. It has been placed on record. I'll take your lordship through some parts of that also, because those contracts are also very, very prima facie, very suspicious.
Next.
Whether the rates at which the tender work orders were awarded are the normal market rates for such works, because if they are collusive tenders,
They can
yes, they can elevate.
escalate it, yes.
Yes. whether these works were completed as per tender conditions, schedule and quality. These are the issues, my lord, which need to be investigated.
Right.
And the organization which should normally investigate such matters should be the CBI, because state police will not be able to investigate this. When you have a chief minister at the top of things, the state police will not be able to impartially investigate this. That's why, my lord, we are saying that this has to be investigated by the CBI. CBI is the right organization for this, to investigate this. Then, my lord, so his assets, my lord, at page 12 of the writ petition I showed, this
All right, लिखिए भाई, हमने heard
minister's
Mr.
assets.
Prashant Bhushan, learned counsel appearing for the petitioners, Mr. Rauf Rahim, learned senior counsel appearing for the respondent state of Arunachal Pradesh. And is somebody appearing for 4 to 6?
No, you are with.
Huh? And so appearing, give your name to the court master, appearing for the Union of India. Orders reserved.